Alright, welcome back guys. We're going to go over our one and only trade for the day today, BGLC. So BGLC popped up on the scanner. The first thing I see on the scanner is going to be an alliance, a partnership with this stock and another company. And they called it a deep seek moment. I'm not sure what that means. But I mean, I know with the whole deep seek with the Chinese AI, that was a whole big thing. But I'm not sure what that means in terms of this alliance. But it sounded pretty good. Volume kicked in after a minute. It popped up on the scanner actually. So it started from 4 and went up all the way to 619. Drops down, comes back up, and I don't take a trade. I'm still waiting for the volume. This could have dropped any time. This could have just stayed like this for the whole morning. But the volume kept going, rapidly increased after a minute. I took my first trade on this red candle right over here. Then I waited for another pullback below the VWAP for another squeeze higher past these highs. So I tried to get in a little bit cheaper. I got in at 660. When I took my trade here on this candle, I still got filled in at 660. So, whatever. But at least I tried to get in for a lower price. And on 2 candles later, it pops up and I get out around 720. And my profit for the day, I'm going to show you on my broker, 126. So I did really good today. I'm okay with that. Most of my funds were done for the day. I could have waited for maybe like $1 penny stock, but I'm walking away with the 126 on the day, and I'm 189 on the month. So tomorrow, last week of July, let's get this bread. I didn't think this would go any sooner. I mean, on a 200 moving average, our 200 moving average was already well below the price it moved at. It was at 390. But it popped up, so it gapped up pretty much. And I was looking at this, I'm like, okay, so resistance is likely going to be around $8 since this is the next topping candle before it moves on to this candle, which is already like 5 or 15. It's the top of this candle is 1560, so it's going to meet a bit of resistance before it moves up there, but I had a feeling around $8. I was hoping for a squeeze at the $8. That's what I was waiting for the next leg up. It was a float. So I was like, okay, this could be a really big move. And it did go up to $8 eventually, but not after a couple minutes. This is the 1 minute chart. So I pretty much traded within these 2 candles right here. And, this one didn't move as quickly as other stocks. Sometimes the other stocks just move up super quickly. This took about maybe 15 minutes before it really broke through $8. I mean, ideally this would have been a really good move too here, but hey, I still made profit. It's more than I made yesterday, and I already recovered. Let's get this bread for tomorrow. Tomorrow, last day of July. Can't wait to lock in the profits after tomorrow, and then Friday, first day of August, we're going to start off good. And please let me know what I did wrong or how I can better my trades. I really don't want to be in positions longer than a minute. Ideally like maximum 2 minutes, but I'm okay with getting in, getting out. Getting in, getting out here, perfectly okay. I'm taking 100 share size. Over time, it's going to be more share sizes when I have obviously more funds, but right now I'm going to stick with my 100 shares, at least with these heavier price stocks. $2 stocks, I'm okay with taking $200 share size or $300. 300 share size, I'm okay with that. I'm comfortable. For me, that's within my comfort range. But when it comes to these higher price stocks, I'm like, okay, let's be a little bit cautious. And yeah, I think this was pretty good. All right, hopefully you guys do good tomorrow, get some sleep, and we'll see you later. Peace.